Transforming Farms' Role and Impact of Agricultural Mechanization. Dr. Polgani Nagarjuna, Dr. P. Mohan Rao, Dr. B. V. S. Kiran and Dr. B. Rajalakshmi. Agriculture's revolution through mechanization has drastically changed farming methods, improving sustainability, efficiency, and production in a number of agricultural areas. An in-depth analysis of the effects of agricultural mechanization on crop output, labor dynamics, and resource management is provided in this research, which explores the complex function of this technology in contemporary farming. Furthermore, encouraging sustainable farming methods depends heavily on the incorporation of advanced technologies like smart machinery and precision agriculture. These technologies reduce waste and its impact on the environment by making it easier to optimize the use of resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Farmers may improve crop health and productivity while preserving natural resources by using data analytics and real-time monitoring to make well-informed decisions. The socio-economic implications of mechanization are also profound. The shift towards mechanized farming can lead to significant changes in rural employment, altering traditional labor markets and income distribution patterns. While mechanization may reduce the number of labor-intensive jobs, it can also create new opportunities in technology maintenance, operation, and management, necessitating a workforce equipped with diverse skills. Moreover, access to mechanization technology varies widely, raising concerns about equity and inclusion in agricultural development. This book emphasizes the necessity of a balanced approach to agricultural mechanization, advocating for policies and strategies that support smallholder farmers and ensure equitable access to technology. By promoting such inclusivity, mechanization can act as a catalyst for agricultural growth, enhancing food security and driving economic development within farming communities. Ultimately, this study deepens our understanding of how mechanization can be effectively harnessed to address the complexities of modern agriculture, ensuring that its benefits are widely shared and sustainable for all stakeholders involved. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.